Hey, how you guys doing? It's been a while. Today is Sunday, September 28th, 29th. Heck, I don't know. 2021. Anyway, it's been a while since I've made any content for the YouTube channel, so I figured I'd update you on a little bit. That's the chrome oil pan I had on the engine out there, and progress I made was that got it to where it would fire right up, but it had a terrible thunk, knock, and it didn't quite sound like a rod knock to me, so I figured I'd pull the pan to see if maybe the crank was hitting on the inside of the pan, and sure enough, that's what it turns out to be, thank God. So here we are. I don't know if you can see that. It's where the crankshaft was trying to knock the pan out of the way for the few seconds, minute or so that I had it running. A couple of different times I popped it off, and so anyway, I figured it was either an oil pan knocking or I had a bad crank and set of rods in there on one journal maybe, but I don't think that's the case because I found that right there. So I'm going to open that up some more. I'm going to ding that flat spot, and you can see where it's been digging a gash right there. So the very edge of that rod is swinging around there on this side and catching that right beside that little nipple that's sticking out right there, and then the other rod is catching it on something. Maybe that's just a natural dimple in the pan. Yeah, I think that's what that is. But this is definitely a gouge. You can hear it. My thumbnail's digging into it. Definitely a gouge. Rod banging into it. So I don't have very much battery left on here, so I just wanted to give an update on where I was at with Noisy Boy, and maybe in the next couple of days I'll get some more footage put together, and I'll just add this footage to that footage and make a little more content for you when I got something that'll actually make some noise. And the XLWMG 1000 right there is getting super close to firing up. I had it popped off the other night, and it will stay running as long as my finger's on the start button. As soon as I let go of the starting button, it loses fire and stops throwing spark to the plug. So I messed up something in my wiring harness, and take a look at that real quick. And so I got a whole rat's nest right there to figure out and put back together and figure out which wire it was that I hooked up to my battery and my starter relay and my voltage regulator and all of that. So once I get all that figured out, my get coil power constant from that starter button up there, then it'll pop right off it. That brand new starter and starter relay and starter solenoid all work together like a charm. I couldn't believe it. Just sounded, and it sounds slick actually. Well, let's see if we can take a listen to it real quick. Turn everything on here. Sorry about the camera action. Make sure I got it. Oh, I might have everything unhooked. I don't know. Yeah, I think I got my power wire unhooked to the starter at the moment, or it would have popped off. But that starter is ready, boy. Yeah, it's a gear reduction starter, brand spanking new. I don't know, probably factory replacement. Anyway, it works way better than that one in the box underneath there, and that's all I know. And it was worth $110 to have eBay ship it to me. And these little projects aren't cheap, but that's how it's built itself over the last 3.5 years, is just on a shoestring budget when it can afford a piece here or there. Hey there everybody, how's it going today? It's Tuesday, September the 28th. Sorry about that. On Sunday I thought that it was the 28th. I have to make a correction for that little piece of footage that I got on Sunday. But anyway, I was talking about that motorcycle right there and how they build themselves, and it kind of cut me off right when the battery, I told you that the battery was about to die, but I got plenty of battery this time. So made some progress on the truck and got the oil pan back on it. Let's go for a walk. Boy, it's bright out here today. I have no idea where my microphone is at on this thing and where I should watch putting my fingers. Hope I didn't make you dizzy spinning that around there. Alright, here's what I'm trying to get at. I'm trying to get it in a spot where I can actually see the screen. I can't see what I'm shooting because I can't see the screen. I put that small set of pulleys on it thinking that I could use that to help me push my harmonic balancer in, and well, I got it to snug up there, but I'm going to go ahead and pull that one back off and put that one back on there and get everything buttoned back up underneath here. And got a quart of oil for the Maxima, and I got a 5 quart rather jug of SuperTech 5,000 mile all mile coverage synthetic blend 1040. I didn't see that one in the store. I don't like running synthetic. It says all mile coverage synthetic blend. Dang it. I should have noticed that. Well, I wonder if I ought to take that back and exchange it for something with a little more graphite in it, something with a little more lubrication in it. Synthetics aren't good on brand new engines, I know that. Well, crap. Not sure what I'm going to do now. I think I'm just going to go ahead and run it because hey everybody, it's me again, it's Kicker. I had to go to Walmart and get a bunch of transmission fluid, and I think I got just about everything I need now to get my truck to go in gear. Fired it up and put it through its very first heat cycle earlier, and I let it run for almost 20 minutes and it came up to 180 degrees, but the thermostat never opened, so I think maybe I might have a little bubble and it needs to be burped right there at the thermostat. So I'm gonna try to heat cycle it one more time, and I just put 1.5 quarts of transmission fluid in it, and we're gonna see if it'll go in gear. Let's go for a walk. Still Tuesday, it's 6:11 p.m. Turned out to be a pretty nice day, but man, it was hot earlier, boy, I ain't kidding. And my back, I threw my back out, and I've been hobbling around here like an 80-year-old man all day today, and yeah, this zapped. Being out here in that sunlight just kind of zapped me. Check this out. Header's turned colors already. You see that? Shoot, yeah, I'm glad I wiped my hand prints and fingerprints and smudges off of them before I fired it up and ran it through that heat cycle. Man, snappy. Sounds sweet. Got my distributor around there just a little bit too far. I want to pick it up and move it one tooth and put it back down in so that I can get everything aligned back up perfect. Yeah, it's just little things, but yeah. I'm gonna get this off of here because he already got a sacrificial soda earlier in the summer. I don't know if you guys remember that video or not, but yep, he's not getting any of my Pepsi Cola. Not tonight. Yep, I'm gonna put that guy right there where he's safe. Let's go make some noise. Oh, I've been waiting for this, man.